Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be talking about this beautiful synthetic wig. Yes, I said it, synthetic. Yes, isn't it cute for a synthetic wig? Like, y'all, look at this. But before we even start, y'all already know the drill. Go ahead and click down below right there, that red big button. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, and right next to it go ahead and click the notification button so that you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. And let's get into the details of this hair. Let me know if this is giving me Vicky Logan vibes, y'all. I love it. The wig that I'm wearing today is the natural frontline lace front Vella wig in the style K in the color 1B. This wig does come with adjustable straps. It comes with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. But I don't use the combs because I use the wig grip that I have. If you guys want more information on the wig grip, then go ahead and click on the video above, or I'll leave that video all down below in the description box. I do have a video on the wig grip, and this wig ain't moving, honey. And I don't use the combs so that way it doesn't break my actual natural hair. So this wig came with hard lace. And I just cut off the lace and just put it on top of my head. Pretty much that's all I did with this wig, and I just combed it out, well, brushed it out with my paddle brush right here. But I did go ahead and cut some of the hair right here on this side because it was a little bit longer and it just looked ugly to me that it was long like that. So yes, y'all, this is the wig that I am rocking, that I'll be rocking for this winter season, you know. Makes me look my age, high key. I would say this wig is big head friendly, but it's probably just gonna look a little bit different on you if you have a bigger head than me, because I have a small head and a long, you know, skinny neck. So this style actually works out for me. I really love the color. It did shed a little bit, but it was after I cut the lace, so it probably shed because I was, you know, cutting around the hairline. And that's about it. It's not gonna I feel like it's not gonna tangle only because it is a bob. It's short enough to not get tangled. I love this synthetic wig because it looks extremely natural. The shine is not too much. It looks like I got a fresh perm. This, I believe, was like $25 or $24, right around that area. And I got this hair from the beauty supply store that is like right around the corner from my house. But yeah, so let me know in the comment section below if you like this wig, or give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want me to do more wig reviews. I plan on doing more wig reviews because wigs are a part of my natural hair journey to bra strap length. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time,